Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. First of all, thanks for the likes and subscribe. So this video is just a quick explain about the purpose of me posting videos twice, the definition of some wordings in my video title. Before I start, whoop the like button as a matter of practice. There are two similar videos as shown. The first video and the second video. Music means the video is synced with other songs, while original audio consists of my voice explaining the idea. I hope this addresses the reasons you see a double posting of the similar video. The next thing I want to address is the definition of some wordings in the title. There is this R word in the videos. The R word means repeated posting. Other words such as now, it means my current analysis. So if you see any R and had watched before, you can skip and save your time. That's all, thanks. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comment. That's all, trade and invest safely.